Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we're going to be checking out some more most wanted short hair ideas. We start off with a bit of a chop. Beautiful asymmetrical pixie cut. Very nice. And then here we have someone who decided to switch things up with a bob and go blonde. And then we have another classic bob here, followed by another hair transformation. So she has some color towards the ends going. I wonder if she's just going to chop that off. The stylist is doing some tests there. And then he ends up chopping the hair into a bob, beautiful layers, and she went darker. Very nice. Beautiful, simple, and chic. So here we have another bob haircut. And if you guys are looking to cut your hair into a bob this season, I do have quite a few videos that just showcase numerous ways that you can wear a bob in 2024, 2025. So make sure you check out that video. Here we have another gorgeous blunt bob with the center parts. Definitely a classic style. Another bob. This one features more of that cascading look. Hair is longer in the front, shorter in the back. And then we have an angled bob. So pretty. Love the way that this frames out her face. Followed by another bob. This one features blunt ends. Wow, look how long her hair is. And she cut it all off and got a bob. So beautiful. I like her nails, that beautiful yellow color. So moving on. I was going to say it looks like she's getting a pixie, but she is definitely getting a bob. So forget about checking out the other bob video because this one has plenty of bob ideas. You can still check out that other one as well if you want. Ooh, I love the color here. Beautiful dimension. Color is perfect for her complexion. Very nice. All right, so here we have someone styling their bob. So you went through all that trouble, you booked your appointment, you got your hair cut into a bob. Now, how do you go about styling it at home? So she is doing the old money style bob trend. You can, of course, check that out on TikTok. Hair tutorial on how to give yourself this gorgeous classic volumized bob. Now let's guess and see which hairstyle she's going to be getting. Oh, maybe another bob. Okay, definitely bob season, y'all. She got quite a bit of hair too. Gorgeous with the center part down the middle. Fantastic. I actually don't mind watching all these bobs because they're so beautiful. Wow, she has some thick, luscious hair. Okay, so we have more of a pixie bob variation here. Hair is much shorter in the back than a traditional bob. And we sneeze into this cute pixie. Oh, I love this with the bangs. Okay, now we're getting into more of that like pixie look. So we have someone with this gorgeous silver gray hair color, two-toned with a black underneath. So this is a product she uses to maintain the color. She does a blowout here. And she has more of that 90s mushroom bowl cut shape for her pixie. So this is a product you definitely want to use if you have shorter hair. The wax is going to help with styling. Some type of waxy pomade product is what you're going to be looking for. And then we have another bob, gorgeous blonde color. Beautiful. I love how this color looks with her complexion and her eye color. It's just so beautiful. Such a gorgeous combination. And then we have another pixie. Wow, look at her makeup. Very pretty. And she has a little bit of a tail going there in the back, playing a nod into the mullet trend. Oh, look at this pixie. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I love her hair, the color, and just this beautiful volumized pixie look. And then the last style is going to be of a shoulder length layered style. And she gets this really pretty color done here, playing into the under color trend with the black on top and then moving into more of a ginger copper tone underneath. You can do this color combo with any hair color that you want. It's just a great way to mix up some color. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.